In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy DAI coin, ticker symbol DAI, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, make sure you are into your crypto account because you are buying cryptocurrency. So bottom left, once you're into your crypto account, press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories. So you might be right here, for example. I'll just scroll a little bit down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then on this screen, simply just look for DAI or the DAI coin option right here. So just scroll down a little bit until you come across DAI. DAI right below Shiba Inu for me right here, ticker symbol DAI. I'll press on that right there. Press on buy in the bottom left. Now to change it over from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top, press on market buy, and then press where it says limit buy right here. So by limit buying, you are choosing the highest price per coin you're willing to pay. Your limit, your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. So press on limit buy right here. On this screen now, set your limit. So DAI for me is priced at $1.36. So if you wanted to change it to $1.25, for example, as the highest price you're willing to pay, press on $1.25 and then press on continue. Then on this screen, if you want to invest $1, for example, just press on $1, then press continue as well. Then to confirm your order, simply just go to the bottom and press on confirm order. And then by the end of the day, if it ever reaches $1.25 at any point, it'll buy it automatically. And if it doesn't, the money will be returned to your account. So that is how you guys can limit buy DAI coin, ticker symbol DAI in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.